Start.
Good afternoon, Master Speakers and guests. I am Master Speaker and today I am doing the role of sergeant for today's meeting. The purpose, the statement of this club is we provide a supportive and positive learning experience in which members can develop communication and leadership skills, resulting in greater and personal growth. There are some rules to be respected during this meeting. First, kindly mute yourself that so your kindly mute yourself unless you are instructed. Second, kindly keep your camera on that shows your attentiveness is in the meeting. Third, kindly switch off or silence your cell phone that the speaker will be not distracted. Moving on, we have dashing, smart. He is the smarter person over here. Let's help me to welcome our president, Mr. Muthura sir.
No. Anjali.
Master Speaker Anjali.
Thank you so much, Master Speaker Ansh. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome you all to the 52nd meeting of Me For You Master Speakers Club. And the theme goes like this: Go green for a better tomorrow. I would like to share some tips for going green for a better tomorrow. Some small things which all can do to help in increasing the greenery. We all go for parties, right? Birthday parties. Yes, everyone goes, right? So what gift would you give to your friends? Anyone, just one person can unmute and tell. What gift do you give for your friend? Master Speaker Shubh, what gift do you give to your friend?
What he likes.
Okay, that's so good. Instead of giving something which he likes or he dislikes, it would be so better to give just a small pot of a plant. Even I, earlier, when I was 7th, 8th and all, I used to give gifts which they used to like. But later at 10th, when I was 10, I started giving a pot, a small flower pot, or just a plant which is being planted. And that plant, it gives so much happiness to my friend. So this is what I continued, and even in first year, now there is no birthday party, but yet, if there is anything, any event or opening ceremony, we can just give them a small plant in the mug or cup and gift it to them. That gives so much of happiness. And the second tip, most important tip is, it doesn't mean that go green in the sense plant all the plants which we want. We need to think also according to that. Some plants are very useful, some plants are very dangerous. For example, we can take people plant, people tree. It releases carbon dioxide 24 hours. And in earlier people, they used to tell that there's a ghost, you should not sleep under that tree. But the fact is, if you sleep under that tree at the night time, it releases lots of carbon dioxide. And it is necessary for us to inhale oxygen and leave carbon dioxide. But if we sleep under that tree, there would be lots of carbon dioxide, and initially, later on, it causes death. That's why it is being said that you should not plant the tree near your home. So we should use some tactics, like if you can plant mango tree. Mango tree is also very good. After eating the mango, now it is mango season, right? After eating the mango, you just throw the seed near the garden area or just on the sand. It itself grows, and it doesn't require much of water also. You can plant banyan tree and many such trees. So we should just know about the tree, what it is. If it is useful, we can just go on planting on that. But some trees are very harmful, so we should check and then plant. So this is what my introduction about my speech about go green for a better tomorrow. I request everyone to have this plantation habit and throw the seeds nearby your garden area or at the sandy place where it can grow. So it helps a lot, especially in the roadside areas too. So now it's my opportunity to welcome today's Master of Ceremony MOC. Is none other than very enthusiastic person, newly joined master speaker who is being concentrating on his higher studies, who is studying at IIT, and he has recently given a welcome speech, recently given a being a speaker one. He has impressed all of us. So please help me in welcoming today's MOC Master Speaker Anil.
Thank you, President Anjali, for your generous introduction. I want Master Speaker Ansh to give minutes of meeting before I start.
Thank you, Master Speaker Anil. Last meeting, Sergeant was Master Speaker Dia, and the debate topic master was Master Speaker Amruta, and MOC Master of Ceremony was Master Speaker Suk, feedback master Speaker Niti, speaking master was Master Speaker Anis, and meeting evaluator was not there, and time master was Master Speaker Subhasri, and filler master was mine, and grammar master was Master Speaker Sanvi, and listening master guest Raghavendra, puzzle master Speaker Tia, jokes master Speaker Shakil, GK master Speaker Kirtana, and done.
Thank you, Master Speaker Ansh, for your great observation. Now, moving on to the meeting. Good afternoon, Master Speakers and guests. I am Master Speaker Anil, playing the role of Master of Ceremony for this meeting. It is my privilege and pleasure to welcome all to this meeting of Me For You Master Speaker Club. Me For You Master Speaker Club was founded by Mutturaj sir, and it has successfully completed 51 meetings since.
Water.
Continue.
Coming to today's meeting theme, Go Green for Better Tomorrow. Amazing. Even who is looking ahead for this kind of theme? Can any master speaker unmute and tell how world is looking for this kind of theme? Through which technology? Can anybody?
Repeat again.
How world is looking forward for this kind of theme? Through which technology?
Okay. Solar technology.
Yes. One thing.
Electric.
Yes, exactly. Solar and battery technology, and is concentrating on green technology, which is zero emission. The world is aiming now is zero emission. The theme Go Green for Better Tomorrow suggests that planting more and more trees and maintaining the vegetation around us. On this great theme, I would like to remember Padma Shri Award winner, and she planted thousands of trees. Not only planting those trees, she nurtured them like her own children. That is Samartha Timaka. I request all master speakers to unmute and give a big clap for her great achievement. Thank you. Now, it is our responsibility that we should maintain the greenery and vegetation surrounding to us. Coming back to the today's meeting, for the benefits of the guest, let me explain the structure of the meeting. The meeting is divided into 3 segments. First is prepared speeches. Here the master speakers are delivering the prepared speeches based on the project. Second round is table topic. Here the master speakers are allowed to think on their own feet and they can talk the topic which is given to them. This round also called as impromptu session, and guests also allowed in this topic in this segment. Now third round is evaluation round. Here the evaluation of the meeting and prepared speeches and other aspects of the meeting will take place. For doing the evaluation, we have a general evaluator in this meeting. For today's general evaluator is a one who is technically sound-minded and doing the work beyond our age and extreme hard worker. Help me in welcoming today's general evaluator, Master Speaker Neeti.
Thank you so much, MOC, for your generous introduction. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Neeti, and I am the meeting evaluator for today's meeting. Before I go ahead, I would like to speak something about today's theme. Today's theme is Go Green for a Better Environment. Do you all know about sustainability? Sustainability is nothing but to meet the needs of today while keeping in mind the needs of people tomorrow, of tomorrow also. Sustainability is centered around 3 P's. As we have, do you all remember the 3 R's? Reduce, reuse, recycle. Here it is 3 P's: people, planet, and prosperity. The 3 P's are related to each other. People have the right mindset will work. People having the right mindset will work towards the prosperity, always keeping in mind about the planet Earth or the Mother Earth at the back of their mind. One important example coming to my mind is excessive use of plastic, which takes hundreds of years to decompose. People are innovating to replace the plastics products with the paper, which is completely biodegradable. Hence, I would like to conclude that say no to plastic and say yes to paper. Now, coming to the meeting, as a meeting evaluator, it's my duty to evaluate the whole meeting. Do you think it is an easy job to evaluate the whole meeting, keeping the time in the mind, noting the grammatical mistakes, the filler words, noting the filler words, then asking some questions in the middle? Do you think it's an easy job which I can do alone? No. So I have my Tuggle team which helps me to do this work. First is T. T stands for Time Master. Today's Time Master is a person whom I was really shocked with his first role. Usually, we all take whenever we join this Master Speakers Club, usually we take some easy roles. But he was the first person I had ever seen who took the first role as a TTM, and he did a wonderful job performing the role. Help me in welcoming our today's Time Master, Master Speaker Harshad. Over to you.
Thank you, Master Speaker Neeti, for your wonderful. Good afternoon, Master Speakers and guests. I am Master Speaker Harshil, playing a role of timing master for today's meeting. It's my responsibility to time all the roles of the meeting and give my feedback. For prepared speeches, you will have 4 to 6 minutes. 4 minutes, I'll show the green card. Yellow card, I'll show for 5 minutes. Red card is for 6 minutes. For table topics, you will have 1 to 2 minutes. Green card I'll show for 2 minutes. Yellow card for 1 minute 30 seconds. And red card for 1 minute. For all the joke masters and puzzle masters will have 2 minutes. So green card for 2 minutes. Green card for 2 minutes. Yellow card for 2 minutes 30 seconds. And red card for 3 minutes. Thank you. Over to you, General Evaluator.
Thank you so much, Timing Master, for your wonderful roles introduction. Next is F, which is Filler Master. Today's Filler Master is a person who is my second inspiration, as I said in the last meeting. Help me in welcoming our today's Filler Master, Master Speaker Amrita. Over to you.
Good afternoon, everyone, fellow masters, master speakers, and honorable guests. I am Master Speaker Amrita. Today's meeting, my role is filler role. In speech, filler words are short meanings, meaningless words, or sound we to fill the little pauses that hello everyone, I'm Amrita Yajurvedi. I'm today's meeting. My role is filling words, filler master role. I counting all filler words like or repeat words. I counting. Then meeting evaluator call me. I gave my report. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Fellow Master, Master Speaker Amrita. Great job done. Next is the Grammar Master. Today's Grammar Master is a person who has joined this meeting after a long time and ready to play his role with full of enthusiasm. Help me in welcoming our today's Grammar Master, guest Sohan. Over to you.
Thank you, Niti, for the introduction. So good afternoon, master speakers and guests. My name is Guest Suhan. So I'm playing the role of primary master. It is my responsibility to pay the close attention towards speakers who are using good usage and not so good usage of English in this meeting. So as a grammarian master, it is my responsibility to introduce the word of the day. That is verdant. Verdant. Its meaning is covered with green plants or grass. So an example is the whole effect of Grim Castle, the Silver Stream, and the Verdant Woods make one of the most striking scene in Belgium. So I want all of you to use this word as much as possible. So I want all of you, if someone uses the word of the day, you can just tap your finger, that is Verdant. And I wanted to use this opportunity to tell all the upcoming grammar master to uh, type the word of the day and its meaning in the chat box so that no one forgets it. Because sometimes I also forget it, so I have to go to the WhatsApp or something. So guess do not use the word of the day as frequent as possible. So you can just type the word of the day and its meaning in the chat box. And I shall represent the report at the end of the meeting. Thank you. Over to you, G.
Thank you so much, Grammar Master guest Sohan. Next is the Listening Master. Today's Listening Master is a person who is the grandson of Master Speaker Amrita. As we all have seen Master Speaker Amrita's great enthusiasm, let's see the same enthusiasm in her grandson. Help me in welcoming our today's Listening Master, Master Speaker Raghavendra. Over to you.
Good afternoon, everyone, fellow master, master speakers, and honorable guests. I am Master
Very
Speaker
much.
Raghavendra. I am Master Speaker Raghavendra. Today's meeting, I listen.
Listen must.
Today's meeting, my role is listener role. I listen carefully and in the whole meeting and collect some important questions and ask you some questions. When the meeting evaluator call me, you are all answer me. Thank you.
Thank you so much, guest Master Speaker Raghavendra, for your amazing roles introduction. We have two feedback masters also, Master Speaker Shubh and Master Speaker Tanvi, who are going to evaluate the two speakers, Master Speaker Dia and Master Speaker Tanish. This was my double team with two feedback masters. We also have puzzle master, jokes master, storytelling master, and a GK master who will be introduced by the MOC. This was my role. Thank you so much. Over to you, MOC.
Thank you, G. MS Niti. Now, moving on to the today's first segment, that is prepared speeches. For this meeting, first today prepared speaker is the one who took the role instantly in last meeting and executed in unprecedented manner. And our performance is increasing exponentially from meeting to meeting. Help me in welcoming the today's first prepared speaker, Master Speaker Dia.
Thank you, Master
Over to
Speaker
you.
Anil. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Master Speaker Dia. I am studying in 4th standard. My school name is Crest Commerce School. I am 6 years old. Today, I want to give my icebreaker speech. My was born on 5 January 2021. In Gatprabha, my mother name is Anushri Angadi. My father name is Soam Shekhar Angadi. My brother name is Danish Angadi. And I'm first rank in school. I'll tell about my childhood photos. This is my 2 years old and this is my function. Next I'll tell about this photo. This is my brother and he's 6 months, and I have 2 years old, 1 years old, and I want to put him. My brother do not give me because he's a small brother, because my mom sit with me and give me, and he's fight with me every day, and I am first rank for school. I have nursery to 4th standard. I am first rank, and I like play and also study. I want to become a doctor and 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 this is my birthday. My mom go to the tour at 2 days, and my aunties all celebrate my birthday, and I'm so happy for my birthday because I have some gifts, and I have 53 members of my family, and I have 53 members of family. I celebrate all celebrate function, and I tell about, and I'm so happy and tell about my brother. And I I also running. I want to sing. I love sing. but the corona, I will don't go to the class, and I will love. I like also dance, and I have school holidays. I want to go my mother's home, mother's mom's home. That's Kadkol, and I love my family very much. And I like my childhood photos very much. I am childhood. I am born. I am so black, and I have when I will grow up, I am become a white. I'm become a white, and and uh, and tell about this photo. This is the Diwali. My father take this and my hero is my dad. Like my dad, and
Good, very good.
I tell about this photo. I have function with that. I am so happy for that. I am wake up at 5 o'clock, and I celebrate with my cousins and aunties and my grandma, and all are come at 1 year back. and 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 and
Okay.
thank you.
She has her brother who is continuously disturbing her. That is what it shows, that love with brother. Thank you. Wonderful. Yes, Anil.
Now, moving on to the second prepared speaker. For today's meeting, second prepared speaker is the one who is having the great aim, and he also has great sense of humor, and he will justify the role which is given to him. Help me in welcoming today's second prepared speaker, Master Speaker Tanish.
Myself, Master Speaker Tanish, is son of Dr. Sharan and Dr. Prajakta. I am 8 years old. I am studying in 3rd standard at Sri Rajeshwari Vidyaniketan, Pulkoti. I have an elder sister, Tanvi. She is studying in 8th standard. We four and my grandparents are based at Gadag. I was born on 15 February, that is post Valentine's Day, in the early morning in 2013. My 5-year-old sister held me in her lovely arms and pampered me. There is a saying, elder sister is like our second mother and our first best friend. My first flight was when I was just 10 months old, to Delhi and Agra. I love traveling. I have traveled to Mumbai, Jharkhand, Andhra Pradesh, Delhi, Madurai, Kodaikanal, Sri Lanka, Jaipur, etc. My hobbies are cycling, drawing cartoons, playing with cars, cricket, squabball, watching cartoons, playing video games, etc. I have good collections of cars. My best friends are Yash and Pranav. I play and sometimes fight with my sister, but we love each other very much. I was very naughty when I was kid. Once I was hiding beneath our bed when I was 2 years old. All my family members were searching for me, but I was sitting quiet and smiling. One more incident was we had been to Agritota. I got lost and my mom and my sister found me. Right now I am enjoying and attending Me For You classes. I love to join Me For You classes. First time I was very scared. My mom was telling her, tell this, tell this, tell this. She was helping me. After some meetings, I didn't tell anything. She was only telling. Then she told to me, I will not sit with you. You only sit with your sister and you should tell your own. Then after some meetings, I got confidence to speak. This is all because of Muthuras sir. He is guru for everyone and inspiration for everyone. Thank you, sir. Thank you, everyone. Everyone, stay home, stay safe. Over to you, MOC Master Speaker Anil.
Thank you, Master Speaker Tanish, for your great take-home message at the last. Now, moving on to the second segment of the meeting, that is table topic. Table topics are the most funnest part of the Master Speaker Club, and we have a table topic master to run the show. For today's meeting, table topic master is the one who is future entrepreneur, and she already started her business in small scale by doing the arts in object. Help me in welcoming today's topic master, Master Speaker Aditi. Over to you, Aditi.
Hello everyone. Hello Toastmasters, Master Speakers and guests. Myself, Master Speaker Aditi. I'm playing the role of Topics Master for this meeting. It's my responsibility to give the topics to you in the meeting, and you have to speak on topics for 1 to 2 minutes. When you reach to the minimum amount of the time, you will be shown green card. When you reach mid amount of the time, you will be shown yellow card. When you reach maximum amount of the time, you will be shown red card. You have 30 seconds to wrap up your speech. So the first table topic is for
Mungarwadi.
So the first topic is for Master Speaker Shubh. Give few tips of going green.
Thank you very much, Master Speaker Aditi. Hello, fellow masters, Toastmasters, and guests. I'm Master Speaker Shubh Mungarwadi. Today, I'm going to tell about some few tips for going green. As President told, for giving a gift to your friend when his birthday is there, just give a pot, a plant, or a tree. You know, when we plant a tree, after 5 to 6 years, it gives us benefits, right? It gives us oxygen, shelter, and everything. Some tips: just plant a tree beside your home or anywhere in your colony. Just one tree. One tree matters a lot. In our colony, there is a colony. We have done a thing that Maruti uncle, I say Maruti uncle, he's the president of our colony. He just takes all the decisions what we should do in our colony and what we should not. So we planned to plant some 10 to 12 trees, only 10 to 12 trees. It gives greenery and it attracts people to come to our colony and see it. The main intention, we made a garden in a specific space. So I suggested a one tip for uncle that uncle just plant some 10 to 12 trees. That's enough. It matters a lot. We can play there, we can walk there, we can do everything. That 10 to 12 trees, now they are fully grown. They're giving us many benefits. Who all have done here? They are doing a great job. Thank you very much. Over to your table topic, Master. Thank you.
Thank you, Master Speaker Shubh. So next is Master Speaker
Kirtana.
Kirtana. So her topic is why Green Day is celebrated.
Yeah, the Green Day, Environmental Day. Environment. We get oxygen from trees. We cannot live with oxygen. The Green Day, we celebrate green. I like Green Day. We plant trees and pour water to them. We see them grow big and it gives us oxygen. We breathe oxygen and release carbon dioxide. Yeah, I like Green Day. So I want to plant a small plant for everyone. I want everyone to plant a tree. Yeah, that's all. Thank you.
Thank you, Master Speaker Kirtana. So next topic is for Master Speaker Harshil. How does Go Green help our environment? How does Go Green helps our environment? Master Speaker Harshil.
So my topic is how does Go Green help the environment? So plants and trees helps us in giving oxygen. If you plant more trees, we get more oxygen. More oxygen in this pandemic COVID-19. People are not getting oxygen. They do not have much oxygen concentrators also. So please plant more trees and plants. Please plant more trees and plants in every day or in every month or in every year. Please make a day in which you can plant more 5 or 10 plants or 5 or 10 plants. Each person can plant 5 or 10 plants. And please do not, now it's lockdown, please do not use vehicles. Please go walking or by cycling. Pollution will also become low. Thank you.
Thank you, Master Speaker Harshil. So next is guest Manjula. How do you practice Go Green in your daily life? How do you practice going green in your daily life? Master Speaker, guest Manjula.
Good afternoon, everybody. I am Manjula from Arsikere. I like gardening very much, but no space for gardening here. 3 years back, I thought one plan. Backside our house has a municipality road. It was no use to others. drainage pipes are there in under the road. Some people were misused it. Then I thought, I decided to prepare the garden. Our helper and I cleaned and prepared to the gardening that place. I spent about 2,000 rupees for fencing. I grew some green leaves like methi, mint, coriander, karabevu, etc. Flowers for puja. And medicated plants are there. Like tulasi, amruta valli, etc. Now I saved about 15,000 rupees from 3 years. I satisfied to save the nature. I did little service to the nature. Now I have a beautiful garden. Thank you.
Thank you, Master Speaker Manjula. The speech was very impressive. I too like to plant gardens and everything. So next is guest Vasanta. The topic is, if you have a seed, where would you like to throw it? In the garbage or in the garden? Why? Guest Vasanta?
Yes. I did not understand your question. Repeat it.
If you have a seed, where would you like to throw the seed? In the garden or in the garbage? And why?
Good
If you
afternoon.
had a fruit seed, then where would you throw? You would throw in garden or in garbage, and why?
Fruits. I purchase fruits only. Market.
No, any
Can I tell?
seed.
Vasanta,
Yes, sir.
ಫ್ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಬೀಜ ಇದ್ರೆ ಓಕೆ ನೀವು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಗಾರ್ಬೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀರಾ ಗಾರ್ಡನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀರಾ ಬೀಜ
I like fruits garden. I like garden.
Why do you like gardening?
Because the seeds was growing that garden, that place. It helps one tree. The fruit seeds grow that place. It helps to me. Just like one tomato, I put on the field. The tomato plants were coming, and I put the tomato, that plant. So I did not like that garbage in seeds. Sir, all of you know that what is the importance of plants? What is the importance of plants and trees in environment life? So we are decided to grow 1 or 2 plants in our house. So I give some suggestion to people. Our city have surroundings Arali Mara and Arad Mara. I don't know Arali Mara in English. Our city have surroundings in neem tree because it gives more oxygen to people. It take carbon dioxide. It take plenty carbon dioxide. Our garden have compulsory. We are decided to compulsory curry leaves lemon tree. In our house, we grow the medical plants, just like tulsi, aloe vera, and dhania, betel leaf. It is only my suggestion to the people. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, guest Vasanta. So next is guest Shubhaji.
Master Speaker
So-
Shubhashree.
So the topic is what happens if we don't go green? What happens if we don't go green?
Shubhashree, are you there?
Yes, Shubhaji.
Yes, I am. Thanks for the topic. So, going green, basically, it means to pursue knowledge and practices that can lead to more environmentally friendly and ecologically responsible decisions, which can help protect the environment and sustain its natural resources for current and future. So, basically, initiative is helping to educate students and parents to more environmental consciousness, also to recycling and reducing waste, and each activity students and teachers learn to make better use of resources they have to hand, and basically by purchasing more reusable resources for classrooms, school districts may find this initiative can save money for the other activities and learning methods. So yes, thank you so much.
Thank you so much, yes, Shubhashi. So next is Master Speaker. Wait for a second.
Jeet, are you there? Jeet Raikar?
Master Speaker Jeet.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So your topic is how can we keep our planet green? Explain in brief.
1 minute.
Can I repeat the question, or you got to know?
No. I'll tell it. We can keep our planet. We can save our planet from the pollutions. Many pollutions like air pollution, water pollution, and noise pollution. Reduce using vehicles.
Yes. Do you ride cycle?
Yeah, yes, sir.
So how is it helping our nature by riding cycle?
It actually helps us not to create air pollution and not to throw garbages on the road.
Okay.
Try not to use plastic materials. This may cause pollution for our earth. That's all.
Thank you, Master Speaker Jeet. So next topic is for Master Speaker Ansh. Why is Go Green important?
Can you repeat?
Why do we need Go Green?
We need Go Green because if there is always all their pollution, we could not breathe and cannot breathe fresh air. Means if there is always pollution outside and we are cutting trees and there are no trees and we are outside, so we cannot breathe and we can die also. So go green for better tomorrow.
Yes, table topic master.
Yeah. Actually, I got a bit network problem. So next is Master Speaker Tanvi.
Yes.
So your question is, does the plastic harm the process of Go Green?
Thank you, Master Speaker Aditi, for the wonderful topic. Good afternoon, Master Speakers and honored guests. I am Master Speaker Tanvi, and I got in table topics. I got the topic that does the plastic harm in Go Green? Yes, the plastic harm in Go Green. As now I am studying in 8th standard. Now in our chemistry, it came that we should not use more plastics as it is the non-biodegradable. It takes several years, more than 500, around 1000 years it will take to decompose. So we should not use more plastics. And our mother or if someone go to market, they will use cotton bags or some jute bags, and they will take it and they will go. And so that they will not use more plastics. There are two types of plastics. One is the recyclable plastic and another is non-recyclable plastic. Recyclable plastic is you can tell that water bottles, shampoo bottles or some bottles, that is recyclable plastic. And non-recyclable plastics are the plastic carry bags that you will use that are non-recyclable plastics. So I request everyone not to use plastics, and you please use cotton bags or some jute bags or paper bags. So it is harmful for Go Green. And if some animals like cow, if it eats, then it is harmful for it. It dies because of some conditions. So if we throw it in surroundings, then it will eat and it will be dead. We should not think that we should not throw plastics in surroundings. If we want, you should come and throw it in your home in dustbin. Thank you, Master Speaker Aditi, for wonderful topic. Thank you, everyone. Over to you, TTM.
Thank you so much, Tanvi. It was you spoke very well. So I have a last topic left. Can I give it to Master Speaker Tanish?
Yes.
So Master Speaker Tanish, your topic is how does Go Green benefits wild animals? How Go Green helps the wild animals?
Thank you, Master Speaker Aditi, for the wonderful topic. Go Green helps. Go Green helps herbivorous animals. They will eat plants, some trees, some leaves. It helps them. And it helps domestic animals. And for humans. We will get food from plant. Plant prepares food for us by the process called photosynthesis. With the help of pigment called chlorophyll. Thank you, Master Speaker Aditi.
Okay. So I was seeing that how Tanvi was helping you. Like, so you explained right on your when you were talking in your speech, right? You said that my sister is very good helping. I saw that how much she was helping you.
Second mother.
So
I don't know
yeah.
about it.
You know how to help your mother in chicken. That's it.
So thank you all. Over to you, MOC.
Yes. Now moving on to the next segment of the meeting, that is evaluation. Everyone is staring at me. Before evaluation, we'll have some fun. Yes, all Master Speaker, you want fun? No energy?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Before for fun section, we'll have a puzzle master. To make our brainstorm, we have a puzzle master from Hyderabad. That is Master Speaker Kirtana. Over to you, Master Speaker Kirtana.
Thank you, MOC. Yeah, I'm Master Speaker Kirtana. Good morning, good afternoon, Master Speakers and guests. Yeah, I'm going to give some questions. Please answer it. I'm tall when I'm young, and I'm short when I'm old. What am I?
Can you repeat the question?
I'm tall when I'm young, and I'm short when I'm old. What am I?
Candle.
Yes.
Candle.
Yes. What can you keep after giving to someone?
Can you repeat?
What can you keep after giving to someone?
Your name. Promise. Your name. Promise.
No.
Promise. Name.
No.
Repeat the question.
What can you keep after giving to someone?
The next time, repeating will not be there, okay? Only one time. Slowly you tell. Repeating question has become a habit now for everybody. Okay, you answer.
Yeah, answer is your word.
Your
word.
Okay.
What is black when it's clean and white when it's dirty?
Dust.
Chalkboard.
Yes, chalkboard. Yeah, I'm light as feather, yet the strongest person can hold me for 5 minutes. What I am?
Breath. Breath.
If you got me, you want to share me. If you share me, you haven't keep me. What I am?
Is it a secret?
Yes, it's a secret. What goes up and down but doesn't move?
Can you repeat? Can you repeat?
No, repeat. Dismiss.
Street, I think.
Yes, street.
Street. No, staircase.
It's the age. It's age.
Staircase.
Staircase.
Yeah. What tastes better than it smells?
Food.
No. Yeah, the answer is your tongue. If you drop me, I'm sure to crack, but you can give me smile. I'll always smile back. What I am?
Is it a mirror?
Yes.
Mirror?
I turn once. What is out will not get in. I turn again. What is in will not get out. What I am? Yeah, the answer is key.
Good.
Yeah, one last question. What the more of this, the less you see, what is it? The more of this there is, the less you see. What is it?
Eyes.
No. Yeah, the answer is darkness. Thank you.
Thank you, Master Speaker Kirtana, for your wonderful puzzles. Now, moving on to the next segment, that is story master. To tell a story, we have a story master who is sweeper of table topic master, and she win almost hat-trick award in the Me for You Master Speaker Club. Help me in welcoming today's story master, Master Speaker Shubhashri. Over to you, Shubhashri.
Yeah, next.
Thank you, Master Speaker Anil.
1 second. Next
Yeah.
story will be from Manjula KP. Next story. Yeah. 1 to 2 minutes timing.
Yes, I'm good to go, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Me sunshine mixed with a little hurricane. Good afternoon, President, Master Speakers, and guests. I am Master Speaker Shubhashri, a storytelling master for today's meeting. The secret to success. Once a young man with verdant eye asked the wise man, Socrates, the secret to success. Socrates patiently listened to the man's question and told him to meet him near the river the next morning for the answer. The next morning, Socrates asked the young man to walk with him towards the river. As they went in the river, the water got up to their neck. But to the young man's surprise, Socrates ducked him into water. The young man struggled to get out of the water, but Socrates was strong and kept him there until the boy started turning blue. Socrates pulled the man's hair out of the water. The young man gasped and took a deep breath of air. Socrates asked him, "What did you want the most when your head was in the water?" The young man replied, "Air." Socrates said, that is the secret to success. When you want success as badly as you wanted the air while you were in the water, then you will get it. There is no other secret. So, the moral of the story is, burning desire is starting point for all the accomplishment. Just like a small fire cannot give much heat, a weak desire cannot produce great results. That was it. The secret to success. Thank you. Back to you, Master Speaker Anil.
Wow, amazing inspiration. This story is like similar to my life. Like what I come through is this situation happens in my life. And next, moving on to the next segment of the meeting, that is evaluation.
Oh, wait. Storyteller, we have one more.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
Now move on to the second storyteller. We have guest Manjula ma'am to tell her experience or in the form of story. Over to you, Manjula ma'am.
ನಮಸ್ತೆ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕನ್ನಡ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾನು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕತೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಪರಿಸರದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ. ಒಂದು ಕಾಡಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕೊಳ ಇತ್ತು. ಕೊಳದಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ನೀರಿನ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳು ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ, ಮೀನು, ಆಮೆ, ಹಾವು, ಸಣ್ಣ ಸಣ್ಣ ವಾಟರ್ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಹಿಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ಇತ್ತು. ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಜಾಣ ಆಮೆ, ರಿಂಪು ಆಮೆ ಇತ್ತು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಆ ಕೊಳಕ್ಕೆ ದಿನ ಒಂದು ಆನೆ ನೀರ್ ಕುಡಿಯಕ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಆನೆ ಹೆಸರು ರಾಣ ಅಂತ. ರಾಣ ದಿನ ನೀರ್ ಕುಡಿಯಕ್ ಬಂದು ನೀರ್ ಕುಡ್ದು ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ನೀರನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಗಲೀಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಸೊಂಡ್ಲಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ನೀರ್ ತುಂಬ್ಕೊಂಡು ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಚೆ ಕಡೆ ಎರ್ಚೋದು, ಮತ್ತೆ ಆ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಸಣ್ಣ ಸಣ್ಣ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ತುಳಿಯೋದು, ಹೀಗೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿ ನೀರನ್ನು ಗಲೀಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೀರನ್ನು ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳಿಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಯೋಚನೆ ಇತ್ತು, ದಿನ ನೀರನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಹಿಂಗೆ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಖಾಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ನೀರೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಸತ್ತು ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳು ಸೇರಿ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ರಿಂಪು ಆಮೆ ಹತ್ರ ಕೇಳಿದ್ವಿ, ನೀನೇ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಉಪಾಯ ಮಾಡು, ನೀನು ಜಾಣ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅಂತ. ರಿಂಪು ಆಮೆ ಒಂದು ಉಪಾಯ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳಿಗೂ ಹೇಳ್ತು, ಗುಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತು, ನಾಳೆ ನಾನೀಗ ಏನ್ ಗುಟ್ಟು ಹೇಳಿದಿನೋ ನೀವು ಅದೇ ತರ ನಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಮರುದಿನ ಆನೆ ನೀರ್ ಕುಡಿಯಕ್ ಬಂತು. ರಾಣ ಆನೆ ನೀರ್ ಕುಡಿಯಕ್ ಬಂದು ಇನ್ನು ನೀರಿಗೆ ಇಳ್ದಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವಾಗ ರಿಂಪು ಆಮೆ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಕಿರ್ಚ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅಳಕ್ ಶುರು ಮಾಡ್ತು. ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಅಪ್ಪ, ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ನೋವು, ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ಉರಿ, ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಕಾಪಾಡಿ ಅಂತ. ಅವಾಗ ರಾಣ ಆನೆ ನೋಡ್ತು. ರಿಂಪು, ಏನಾಯ್ತು ನಿಂಗೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ರಿಂಪು ಹೇಳ್ತು, ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿ ಆನೆ ಅಣ್ಣ, ನಮ್ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆಲ್ಲ ಸತ್ತೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಎಲ್ಲಾರ್ಗು ತುಂಬಾ ಕಾಯಿಲೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ, ನಂಗಂತೂ ತುಂಬಾ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ನೋವು, ಅಯ್ಯೋ ತಳಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ರಾಣ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಅಂತ. ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗೇ ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಮತ್ತೆ ನೆನ್ನೆ ದಿವಸ ಒಂದು ಏರೋಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಹೋಯ್ತು ಈ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ. ಅದು ಹೋಗುವಾಗ ಏನೋ ಪುಡಿನೆಲ್ಲ ಕೊಳದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೀಳಿಸ್ತು. ಆವಾಗಿಂದ ಆ ನೀರ್ ಕುಡ್ದಿದ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳಿಗೂ ತಲೆನೋವು ಎಲ್ಲ ಸತ್ತೋಗ್ತಿದಾವೆ. ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಈಗ, ಏನಾದ್ರು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡು ರಾಣ ಅಂತ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು. ಆವಾಗ ಆನೆ ಹೇಳ್ತು, ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಈ ನೀರ್ ಕುಡಿದ್ರೆ ನನಗೂ ಹಂಗೆ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತಾ? ಹೌದು, ನಿನಗೂ ಹಂಗೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಮಾಡಿ ನಾನ್ ನೀರ್ ಕುಡಿಬೇಕಾ, ತುಂಬಾ ಬಾಯಾರಿಕೆ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಖಂಡಿತ ಈ ನೀರ್ ಕುಡಿಬೇಡ, ಈ ನೀರ್ ಕುಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿನಗೂ ಇದಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಯಪ್ಪ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ನೋವು, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡು ರಾಣ ಅಂತ. ಅವಾಗ ಆನೆ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತು, ನಾನ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಈ ನೀರ್ ಕುಡಿದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನನ್ಗೆ ತೊಂದರೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು, ನಾನ್ ಬೇರೆ ಕೊಳದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀರ್ ಕುಡಿತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಬೇರೆ ಕೊಳಕ್ಕೆ ನೀರ್ ಕುಡಿಯಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಆಮೆ ಕೂಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು, ನೀನ್ ನಂಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ವಾ, ನಿನ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ದಿನ ನೀರ್ ಕುಡ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ ಅಂತ. ಅವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಂಗೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಸಮಯ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಹೊರಟೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳಿಗೂ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯ್ತು ತುಂಬಾ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬಂದು ರಿಂಪು ನೀನ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜಾಣ ಇದೀಯಾ, ನಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ರಾಣ ಆನೆ ಬಂದು ನೀರ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಮ್ ನೇಚರ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಹಾಳ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾಯ್ತು, ಕೆಟ್ಟು ಆನೆ ಅದು ಬಾಳ. ನಿನ್ನಿಂದ ಆನೆಗೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಕಲಿಸ್ದಂಗಾಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿಯಿಂದ ಟ್ವಿಂಕಲ್ ಟ್ವಿಂಕಲ್ ಲಿಟ್ಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್, ರಿಂಪು ಆಮೆ ಸೂಪರ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಅಂತ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದು ಪರಿಸರನ ಉಳಿಸಿದ್ವು. ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿ ಕತೆ ಮುಗೀತು. ಕತೆ ನೀತಿ, ಪರಿಸರನ ಉಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕು, ಹಾಳು ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Thanks, Manjula ma'am, for your great message in the story. Now, moving on to the next segment of the meeting, that is evaluation. Evaluation is everywhere. Without evaluation, there is no room for improvement. I request Master Speaker Neeti, General Evaluator, to give her report. Over to you, MS Neeti.
Thank you so much, Master of Ceremony. Amazing job done by you. I first of all loved your introductions. You have the best introduction ever. Each and every Master Speaker, you have introduced each and every Master Speaker very well. Before I go with my general meeting evaluator report, I would like to ask both the feedback masters their report. First, the feedback master 1, Master Speaker Shubh, I want you to give your report. Over to you.
Thank you very much, meeting evaluator. First of all, I just apologize. I have a network problem here. I'll just off my camera. Yes. Today I'm going to introduce today's first speaker. I'm going to give her feedback. So now I'm going to do a format to feedback her speech. So that is evaluation, sandwich evaluation. The bread, in sandwich we get first layer of bread. That is good points. And second, some ingredients, that is improvement points. Then the third, bread, some good points. So first, the bread, good points. She showed some photos and elaborated that what she did in that time. Yes, that was a good point. So let's come to the improvement point. So you are having a lot of background noise. So just for your period of speaking, so you can shut your door and speak. Then the second one, you are having some long pauses. At one suggestion, when you give this one more time the speaking master role, just prepare it very well and speak. So this is my feedback master's report. Thank you very much. Over to meeting evaluator.
Thank you so much, feedback master number 1, Master Speaker Shuk. Next, feedback master number 2, Master Speaker Tanvi. I want you to give your report. Over to you.
Thank you, Master Speaker Niti. There is a method of evaluation that is called sandwich method of evaluation. First is bread and cheese and again bread. Bread is good points and cheese is area of improvement and again bread. That is good usage. I request Master Speaker Harshil to tell what is the timing took by Master Speaker Tanish in speech. Time taken by him.
4 minutes 30 seconds.
Thank you. In good usage, audio and video was clear and he gave his hand gesture was very well. When I was giving my prepared speech, I also didn't use very much hand gestures. He used it very well. And in area of improvement, you can stand up and give your speech. And second, you can speak for more than, you can speak for till 5 minutes, you can speak. And again, in good usage, he first told about his family. Second, when he was born. And third, where he has traveled. Fourth, about his hobbies. Fifth, his best friends. And last, his naughtiness works. And second, he is very small to give speech. More than 3 minutes. He did very well. And this was my feedback master's report. Over to you, meeting evaluator, Master Speaker Niti.
Amazing job done, Master Speaker Tanvi. Both the feedback masters, amazing job done. You used the correct evaluation method, the sandwich method of evaluation, as it was introduced by both the both the feedback masters. Let's go to the double team. Let's go reverse. Okay, like as we have time master, then filler master, grammar master, and then listening master. Let's start with the listening master first. Then let's go to the grammar master, then filler master, and then time master. I would request listening master, Master Speaker Raghavendra, to unmute himself and play his role. Over to you.
Thank you, Master Speaker Nidhi.
My first question.
My first question is, who helped virtual background set in our laptop or mobile?
Master Speaker Niti.
Is it Master Speaker Niti?
Yes. Yes. Who talks about using of trees?
Master Speaker Tanish.
No.
No.
Master Speaker Rang.
Repeat.
Repeat answer.
Master Speaker Ansh.
No.
Ansh.
No. Master Speaker Anjali. Oh, what is change in Speaker Master role? To speaker. Who show the childhood photos?
Master Speaker Dia.
Master Speaker Dia.
Yes. Who born Valentine's Day?
Master Speaker Tanish.
Yes. Who gives us tips about gifts? Master Speaker Shubh.
Master Speaker Shubh.
Yes. Who said elephant story? Master Speaker Manjula. Guest Manjula.
Master
Yes.
Speaker Manjula. Guest Manjula.
Who spent 2,000 rupees to cleaning? Master Speaker. Yes, Manjula ma'am.
Manjula.
Yes. Whose topic about? Plaster. Plastic.
Master Speaker.
Master Speaker Tanvi.
Master Speaker Tanvi.
Yes.
Master Speaker Tanvi.
Thank you. Over to Master Speaker Niti.
Thank you so much, Master Speaker Agvindra. Now, as we are lacking for time, I want each and every role player to give their reports as soon as possible. Next is Grammar Master, Master Speaker Sohan. Yes, Sohan.
Okay, so here is my report. Someone told I listened to the meeting. The proper usage is they should have told I listen to everyone. Someone told I like play. They should have told I like play. Someone told this is my birthday. They should have told this is my birthday. This is my photo from a birthday. Someone told I love sing. They should have the proper usage is I love to sing. Someone told I like also dance. They should have corrected and knew and told I like to dance. Someone told I want to my mother house. They should have used I want to go to my granny's house. Someone told this Diwali. They should have used a photo from Diwali. Someone told I woke up at 5 a.m. They should have used I woke up at 5 a.m. Someone told she's studying at 8th standard. They should have used she is studying in 8th standard. Someone told my mother was telling this that. They should have used my mother was guiding me. Someone used we cannot live with oxygen. They should have used we cannot live without oxygen. And yeah, so the word of the day was used by me one time and guest Shubhashri one time. So here is my report. Over to you, Master Speaker Niti.
Thank you so much, Grammar Master. Next is Film Master. I want you to give a report.
Table topic. President. Anjali said A 2 time. Shubh say A 2 time and repeat 2. Master Speaker Anil use A 5 times. Master Speaker Aditi 1 time A. Master Speaker Shubhashri is A 3 times. Master Speaker Anj A 4 times, repeat 3 times. Master Speaker Tanish A 3 times. Master Speaker Tanvi A 4 times and repeat 6 times if. Master Speaker Sohan A 2 times, fair word 1. And repeat 1. Muthura sir, repeat 1. Guest G A 5 times, 1 time, repeat 3 times. Master Speaker Harshil A 3 times. Master Speaker Dia A 5 times, 2 times, repeat 9 times, and filler were 2. Master Speaker Kirtana A 2 time, repeat 1. KP Manjula A 3 time. It's my report. Thank you.
Thank you so
Over to
much. Yes, thank you so much, Filler Master, Master Speaker Amrita, for your report. Next is Time Master, Master Speaker Harshil. I want you to give your report. Over to you.
Thank you, General Evaluator, Master Speaker Niki. So, Master Speaker Tanish took 4 minutes 30 seconds. Master Speaker Dia took 8 minutes. Table topic Shubh. Master Speaker Shubh took 1 minute 55 seconds. Master Speaker Kirtana took 1 minute. Guest Man took 1 minute 53 seconds. Guest Vasant Sir took 2 minutes 40 seconds. Subhashri took 50 seconds. Guest Jeet took 1 minute 45 seconds. Master Speaker Ansh took 40 seconds. Master Speaker Tanish took 1 minute 45 seconds. Master Speaker Tanvi took 1 minute 50 seconds. Puzzle Master took 4 minute 25 seconds. Story Master Subhashri took 1 minute 25 seconds. Guest Jula took 4 minute 40 seconds. Feedback Master Shubh took 1 minute 15 seconds. Master Speaker Tanvi took 1 minute 25 seconds. Listening Master Master Speaker Raghavendra took 4 minutes 35 seconds. Grammar Master took 1 minute 30 seconds. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Harshil,
Yes, what happened, Master Speaker Dia?
what time I will take?
8 minutes.
Okay.
Thank you so much, Time Master and the whole Tagal team. Now let's go with my report. The sergeant introduced the president, the theme, and introduced the MOC. One area of improvement is president should have introduced the secretary for the minutes of the meeting, but the MOC took the role and introduced the secretary. That was a good thing. The MOC also spoke about the theme and introduced the meeting evaluator. The meeting evaluator introduced the team and the feedback masters, both the feedback masters. MOC introduced the speaker number 1 and speaker number 2. Amazing job both the speakers. Then after the first segment of the meeting, second segment of the meeting was introduced, which is the table topic masters. MOC introduced the table topic master. All the table topic master, amazing job done. All the topics were amazing and it was related to the theme. All the speakers who spoke in table topics spoke well. Next was the entertainment team. Entertainment team did a meritorious job. Both the storytellers, story master and the puzzle master did an amazing job. I have one suggestion here for the present and the future role players. It might be anyone, puzzle master or GK master who is asking questions. I request you to ask the members to raise their hands before they answer. And I understand that some people who are using mobile have the problem to just see through gallery view. If you can't see through gallery view, if you can't see the people raising hands, you can ask anyone who volunteer and whoever is using the laptop, and you can ask them to volunteer. And this was my report. Thank you so much.
Thank you, General Evaluator MS Niti. Your team done amazing job, which needed very lot of patience. I congratulate for your team. And now it is time for me to hand over the meeting to the President. Over to you, President Anjan.
Thank you so much, Master Speaker Anil. There is a poll being sent. So did everyone vote?
I voted it.
8 members
I
voted.
also voted.
Everybody.
I request
Also
everyone
voted.
to just vote. Sir, is that done?
Yeah, another 2 members. Another 2 people. Wait only 1 minute, okay? And afterwards we'll close it. All right, we closed it.
So can we see the winners?
1 second. Okay, good job. Now, all right. So today's best table topic speaker is Master Speaker Shubh Mungrawadi. Okay. Then the second here is who is the best role player? The best role player is none other than our Master of Ceremony. Good, amazing job. All right. So I would just like to tell the percentage wise. Master of Ceremony has taken 31% vote, and Master Speaker Shubh Mungrawadi has taken 38% vote. Okay. I don't tell how many people voted both of these people with compare to, but the winners are of these two are Master Speaker Anil and Shubh Mungrawadi. Great job done. Keep rocking. Yes, Anjali.
The group pick.
Anjali is speaking now. You
Yes.
finish your remarks. Did you finish your remarks?
Yes, sir.
Right. So here I am turning the recording off. Thank you, everyone. I'm turning the recording off only. Okay.